Welcome to Tech and Home Chronicles, where smart living meets simple solutions. This is the Angry Mama Microwave Cleaner, a steam-powered tool that helps loosen stains and grease inside your microwave. In this video, I'll break down the good and the bad so you can decide if it's worth it. The good starts with its simplicity. Just fill it with vinegar and water, even add a little lemon juice for a fresh scent, and microwave it for 5 to 7 minutes. Steam comes out of the top and softens dirt, grease, and stains so you can wipe them away with much less scrubbing. It's made from heat-resistant, dishwasher-safe materials, so cleaning the Angry Mama itself is easy too. The design is small, clever, and even makes it a fun little gift. On the downside, it's not a magic eraser. Really tough, baked-on stains may still need some scrubbing afterward. And since it uses vinegar, the smell can be strong unless you add lemon or fragrance. Also, it's a single-purpose gadget, so outside of microwave cleaning, it won't get much use. So, is it worth it? If you want a cheap, reusable, and chemical-free way to clean your microwave, the Angry Mama Microwave Cleaner is a clever tool that can save you time. But if your microwave is always spotless, it may feel more like a novelty than a must-have. Check the description for the product link and possible deals. And as always, do your own research before buying. Like and subscribe for more quick, honest reviews. We cover a new category every day of the week, right here on Tech and Home Chronicles. Thank you very much, and I'll see you next time.